There's a couple sewing techniques that I do that I need to lower the feed dogs. And on the Pfaff Ambition 610, you can do that. So to find where the feed dogs lower, first take off the accessory box, and it's actually on the back side of the free arm. There's a lever back here. So to lower them, you're going to slide the lever towards the inside of the machine. And you might have to really kind of push hard. It is usually a little tight. It's supposed to be tight. That's good. And you will see the feed dogs go down. So I lower feed dogs when I'm sewing buttons on, when I free motion quilt, things like that. You just reach behind the machine and slide the lever. But big note here, when you go to bring them back up for regular sewing, number one, don't just do like free motion quilting and then like run off for a couple of weeks, because you'll forget those feed dogs are down. Leave yourself some type of little sticky note on the machine or nearby that will remind you those feed dogs are down, because people will call us and go, gosh, it's not sewing. And I'm like, are your feed dogs up? And they're like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. So here's the note though. When you do slide them back, they don't come up until you actually take a stitch. You can turn the hand wheel and rotate one full revolution. You can just put fabric underneath. You'll actually hear them come back up. They'll kind of click up when you've slid this back. So just note that if you're watching for them to come up with the lever being pushed, they don't. Just take a stitch and you're good to go.